Hello, you're welcome. In this video, we are going to be looking at how you can create a stacked clustered chart in ThinkCell. So to create a stacked clustered chart, you will need to come to this element, and under charts, you're going to be selecting the stacked column. So let's work with the stacked column chart, which we place here. Now, what we are going to do is to delete this series from the data sheet. I want to have just two clusters. So let me remove this 2026. I also remove this 2025. I just want to have two clusters. I will move this 2024 to the middle. And let me have 2025 here. So I'll populate these other cells. Now I've been able to populate these cells. Let's look at our chart. You can see what we have in our chart. However, this does not look the way a stacked cluster chart should look like. So we have a few other adjustments we need to make. So the first adjustment we are going to do is to click on this column and drag this point so as to expand the width of the column. So after we have successfully expanded the width of the column, the next thing we are going to do is to add outlines to these columns. So I will select the entire columns, and then from this outline, I'll look for one and add. So let me add this 1 point and then change the color. After I've added this outline, what I will do next is to come under this point that separates the 2024 and 2025. I will click on it, and then I will drag until I see one category gap. Once I've done that, I will let it be. And here you can see we have 2024 stacked and clustered together, and 2025 stacked and clustered together. So from here, you can be able to add your text and make other kinds of adjustments that you want to make to your chart. I hope you've been able to find this video helpful. Please, if you have, kindly like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.